Welcome to a series of videos designed to help you get the most out of Final Draft 12. In this tutorial, we're using a Mac, but we'll show you the Windows menus if they're different. Our focus is on importing a file from another program and using the Reformat tool and Format Assistant to find and correct formatting errors. To migrate a file from another program into Final Draft, the file will need to be imported.
Most writing programs can export a file as plain text.txt or rich text.rtf.
To import your file into Final Draft, go to File, Open, and navigate to where the file is saved. If you are on a Windows machine, change the Files of Type to plain text or rich text documents, depending on the file format you chose when you exported from the original word processor. Double-click the file to open the document. When prompted, import the file as a script or screenplay. Once a converted file has been imported into Final Draft, there may be some formatting issues to contend with. For example, scene headings might be formatted as action, or character names are formatted as dialogue. Don't worry, the Final Draft Reformat tool easily corrects any incorrect formatting. There are several ways to fix this problem. For minor formatting issues, simply put the blinking cursor next to the paragraph in need of reformatting and choose the correct element from the Elements drop-down menu located at the top of the screen. You can also right-click or control-click anywhere in the paragraph, choose Change Element To from the contextual menu, and choose the correct element. If you have a lot of reformatting to do, go to Tools, Reformat, and the Reformat palette will appear. Drag the Elements palette to a corner of your screen so you can see the page in question. The Reformat tool will highlight each paragraph of text in your script and indicate which element is currently selected. If the element is incorrect, simply choose the right element to correct the format of that paragraph of text. The Reformat tool will move on to the next paragraph of text, and you can reformat it, skip over it, or delete it. The Reformat tool can't break up paragraphs of text if scene headings, action lines, character names, and dialogue are all clumped together in one paragraph. To separate clumped together paragraphs, you first need to do a pass separating each section of text. Use the Enter or Return key to place each individual paragraph on its own line. Then use the Reformat tool. Another use for these reformatting methods is if you have created an outline on the beatboard. Refine it in the Outline Editor. And use the Send Outline to Script command to place your outline content on the pages.
If any of these paragraphs are meant to be part of the script, they'll need to be converted from outline paragraphs to scene headings, action, shot, or other kinds of paragraphs.
Once everything has been properly formatted, it is time to run the Format Assistant. This tool helps identify any remaining formatting errors and fix them. You should always run a format check just like a spell check before you send your script to anyone. By default, Final Draft will ask if you want to run the Format Assistant before printing. To use this feature at any time, go to Tools, Format Assistant. When the Format Assistant runs, Final Draft will flag any formatting errors found in your script. Format Assistant explains the rule violation. In this case, an element should not have spaces in front, and suggests the correction to delete the spaces. If you feel the text flagged is not an error, you can click Ignore. Click Next until the entire script has been scanned and all errors have been addressed. Now you know the basics of using the Reformat tool and Format Assistant. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, we want to hear them. Just go to Help, submit feedback, and let us know what you think. If you need technical support, go to Help, get support for access to Final Draft resources, including email, chat, and phone services. To watch more helpful video tutorials, visit the Final Draft YouTube channel at youtube.com/FinalDraftInc. Final Draft, the industry standard screenwriting software.